Welcome, guys. Welcome back. And this is good news for everybody that we're coming out with this sale. It's going to be very brief, very short, बहुत छोटा रहने वाला है, and it is going to be, we're going to show you fresh pieces, new pieces होंगे, and mostly they are t-shirts and shorts. So only t-shirts and shorts का section है. We've done it size-wise, and during the course of this small little video, it's not going to be very lengthy, so quickly grab your size. During the course of this video, we will keep repeating the price. हम लोग इंडिविजुअल प्राइस नहीं बताएंगे इस बार, आपको रेंज बता देते हैं कि ये रेंज जो है इट इज गोइंग टू बी बिटवीन 399 to 599. In between, we will keep reminding the viewers. So grab it. It's going to be on first come first basis. Most of these articles are really outstanding, awesome, and they all neat and clean, fresh pieces which have been here sitting on the racks only for the last month or maybe 45 days. That's it. इससे पुराना नहीं है. So बहुत अच्छे articles हैं. Defect free है. Authentic US European shipments है. So do like and subscribe the channel. This is a reduced price sale, a genuine sale, and very limited pieces. So quickly grab on first come first basis and send us your name, address, phone number, and all the other details so that we can process your order as soon as possible. Thank you very much. We'll begin. Okay, we're starting with t-shirts. Now, range आप बताते रहिए viewers को 399 to 599. 399 to 599. 599.
599.
Okay, these polos will be 599, but basic range is between anything could be between 3. Neat and clean, shipment pack condition, large is the size, and that's the work there. You can see everything intact, perfect, intact, current article, and just one or two pieces. This maybe we do not have many pieces, so you can quickly order. I think that should be good enough for 32 to 34 or max 36. So क्योंकि इसके 3-4 इंच का stretch होता है. Another beautiful olive color, olive green, different label. You can see the finish on it is superb, and it's a slim fit. Feels very nice. You can see the stretchability and everything, and that's the work on the bottom part of the leg. And this is what size Pawan बताइए जल्दी से. Medium, and that's dry fit. Dry fit. So जल्दी से order करिए. It's got this extra thick cushioning inside, and it's got drawstrings. So beautiful pants and lovely color. Size बता दिया? Okay, now we have these trousers for change of season, pre-winter. You would say they are actually cotton. Very light cotton. They are summer article. It's actually a summer article, sorry, because it's very light. You can wear it up to 40 degrees, no issues. It's a summer article. It's not a winter article. Thin knitted fabric. You'll get a very nice price for this. 38. Black. In fact, we've got all sizes, so I think we should disclose the price for this. 800 flat. You'll get 800 flat for this article. 800 में आप ले लीजिए, because this is very nice article, and they're all shipment pack condition. So ये देखिए, you're getting it at less than half the price. Current articles के. It's got a zip 32. Here. Flat 799. Medium. 799. Viewers who have just logged in and they're just looking at our video, 799. We got all sizes in black. We got all sizes in black from 30 to 38 is available in black, and we got grey 30 to 38 again. We got on the thighs. You can do it. The work on the pocket is brilliant here. Once again, viewers, two colors. इसमें भी t-shirt होगा तो आपको इसका भी t-shirt मिल जाएगा. Complete set, and we've told you the size. Both are large, suitable between 32 to 36 because it has stretch. T-shirts काफ़ी खुली हैं इसमें, and can be worn as plus size t-shirt as well. So even someone who's lean can wear this. So जल्दी से अपने orders with the round necks, crew neck, lovely applique work, This come at all-time crazy price. It's applicable on all those products. The range is 399 and 599. Between that, हर आर्टिकल आपको मिल जाएगा सेल में. वो आप हमें स्क्रीनशॉट्स भेजिए, हम आपको बताएंगे कौन सा आर्टिकल कितने का है. There's not much confusion in this. 400 to 600 के रेंज के बीच में सब कुछ है.
Size medium.
Medium. Again 40, 41. So this looks like a 44, 46.
Glass.
ये देखिए. Yeah, 44, 46. Lovely applique work. This is the label here. Size बताते रहिए बस viewers को.
Size.
This is the large.
Large.
Large, which is a 42 plus.
42.
42 plus. It could even be 43, 44. So between the range 399 to 599, जल्दी अपने orders भेजिए. First come first basis पे है, क्योंकि सेल के दौरान same product, many customers ask for the same product. इसलिए I'm requesting to quickly send us your screenshots.
42.
Yeah, medium, lovely print there. That
Size 40.
40 है ना?
Yes.
Between 399 to
399.
599 range रहेगा. Kindly quickly order. Again, we are showing you all 40 size, small
40.
small and medium.
Medium.
Again small, this is 3840. Price is a crazy price, 399 to 599.
390.
So amazing. You can see between 399 and 599. So इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. जो article आप भेजेंगे हम exact price बताएंगे. It could even be 500, it could be 600, it could be 400.
Size medium.
So इसलिए हमने आपको एक bracket दिया है. ये देखिए, lovely thread work. Size बताते रहिए पवन.
40, 41.
40, 41, small size.
Small.
Here. Okay, now this looks like a 41, 42.
41, 42.
Again, 40, 41.
40, 41.
सारे छोटे साइज दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको पहले. We've done it size
40.
wise. Again 40, 41. ये दो articles. Now we are moving on to the bigger articles. This is large, which will all be 42 plus.
42.
42 plus के articles दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको. जल्दी से order करिए. Bracket, price bracket हम आपको repeat कर रहे हैं. 399 to 599. So you can see the work here. Beautiful article and lovely print at the back.
40, 42.
Just some dust over here. You can see lovely print. Again 40, 42 के articles हैं. 40 नहीं है कुछ भी.
42.
ये large है size.
Yes.
ठीक है जी. These are all bigger sizes. You can see large. This could even be a 44.
40. 44.
40 नहीं है पवन, ये large है. Medium
44.
खत्म हो गया है. ठीक है. ये है. This is again 42, 44.
42, 40.
ये large के articles हैं. Small, medium खत्म हो गए हैं. We are showing you large size. These are all large.
42, 44.
42, 44.
ये back print.
Again, this is 44, 46.
44, 46.
Some of them are jump sizes. Large में भी XL हो सकता है. And this is one classic example. This looks like a 44, 46. Size is large, but the size is big. Send us your queries and we'll send you the exact measurement. Again, large. Looks like a 46.
46.
Price bracket 399 to 599. So lovely piece. Again a 42 plus. 42, 44. ये देखिए शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन
42, 44.
the bigger sizes, which is extra large and double extra large, double XL. Shipment pack condition, you can see there. And within the range of 399, everything is applicable, 399 to 599. There is a range. Again, I'm requesting
46.
send us screenshots. We will tell you the exact price. It could even be 500, it could be 600, or it could be 400.
46.
So all bigger sizes, 44, 46. Please send us your screenshots. First come, first basis pair. This is a crazy sale on summer articles. Lovely applique work. Again, a 44, 46. 46, yeah. This is also 46.
46.
All bigger sizes. आप जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. ये भी बड़ा साइज है 46.
46.
So lots of t-shirts in 46, 48. ये देखिए, this looks like a 48.
48.
Okay, now this is a linen t-shirt with a lovely pocket, and this right in the center of the pocket. It's a linen t-shirt. It's a linen, you can see there, classic, and it's a linen t-shirt. Current t-shirt, you can see it on the website as well. Here.
$46.
So very nice design, American baseball. You can see shipment pack condition. Crazy price sale है. जल्दी से इनको ऑर्डर करिए. ये बड़े साइजेस हैं. ये this looks like a 46, 48, 48 rather. And another one in 46. White with applique work. And this 48. This looks like a 48.
48.
Okay, and these last two pieces in the sale.
44, 46.
Embers from Germany. It's a German brand. You can see here. सारे export articles हैं. And this is also a 46 plus. Okay, now we're moving on to. Okay, now these French terry shorts. This is also in sale, and you can see a lovely print there. French terry is the fabric, and these are between sizes 32 to 36. इनमें waist में भी काफी stretch होता है, यहाँ से भी काफी खुला है, very comfortable. These can be worn up to 32 degrees, 35 degrees. So these are not winter, but it is French terry, slightly thicker, and can be worn all over the country. So in this particular article, I request you to zoom in here and show the viewers between 32 to 36 ये मिल जाएंगे ये articles at a flat price of $5.99. This is going to be $5.99 flat price. So there's no doubt about it. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in this, and $5.99 flat. You can check these also. That's a large size. And this is a medium. So 32, 34 in this bottle green. So all $5.99. You can quickly grab these shorts. Thank you. Okay, viewers, thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. It's a very short video. We've spoken in Hindi and English to make it easy for viewers. It's a genuine sale and at an all-time low price. So you can quickly grab your articles. And we've told you that, it is a t-shirt and a shorts sale. It's a summer sale. Quickly grab them. They're limited articles. Thank you very much for watching the channel, and like and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much. Any words for Pawan?
सर आप सब कह रहे थे कि टी शर्ट का वीडियो आएगा, कब आएगा? ये आ गया टी शर्ट का वीडियो. जल्दी जल्दी ऑर्डर करो जिस किसी को चाहिए. हमारे दो सर का नंबर है, मेरा नंबर है. किसी पे भी आप क्वेरी डाल सकते हो, और जो पहले क्वेरी डालेगा उसी को मिलेगा सबसे पहले. फिर आप बाद में बोलोगे सर सोल्ड कर दिया, सर सोल्ड कर दिया.
जी, ये बहुत on popular demand we brought this out for all the viewers, just to thank all the viewers for your continuous support. we come out with these crazy sale, and it's just a way of thanking everybody. And during the sale, जैसे कि first come first basis पे जल्दी से भेजिए अपना, and with all your details, with your pin code and everything else. So thank you very much, and hope you liked the video. Thank you.